important reactions of carbon's compound, and the reactions are esterification, hydrolysis of ester, test for saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon, dehydration and combustion. In today's video, I am going to explain esterification and hydrolysis of ester. Esterification. It is a process or a reaction in which a sweet smelling fruiting substance known as ester is formed after reaction between any type of carboxylic acid and any type of alcohol in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid as a catalyst. It means in this reaction, Conc(H2SO4) or concentrated sulfuric acid act as a catalyst. So in 1 mark question, it will be asked कि what is the catalyst in esterification reaction? The answer will be Conc(H2SO4). Now, it is very easy to extract the compound or the product ester. Any type of carboxylic acid when react with any type of alcohol, carboxylic acid is an acid, so it releases hydrogen. So if any type of carboxylic acid is given, we can get hydrogen from it and hydroxide group from the alcohol to eliminate water H2O. So H2O eliminated and the remaining part of the carboxylic acid and alcohol combined together like this. So we have to write simply RCOO and this R dash attached, and this is the ester. During the nomenclature, you have studied that how to write the name of an ester. So first of all, we have to write the name of this R dash and then the name of R with OH. As for example, I am going to give you this reaction with one real compound CH3COOH. This is an carboxylic acid and its name is ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. When ethanoic acid react with methanol, let us suppose there is another compound. It is, since it has one carbon, so it is known as methanol. In the presence of Conc(H2SO4), what we have to do? We have to take hydrogen from carboxylic acid and hydroxyl group of the alcohol with the elimination of water molecule, and we have to join this one CH3COO, CH3COO, and the remaining part of the alcohol combined after this. How we have to nomenclate, write the name, IUPAC name of this compound? First of all, we have to write the name of this one. So it is, since it is methane, so it is methyl and 1 and 2 carbon, so it is ethane, and for ester we have to write methyl ethanoate. You have studied during the nomenclature of the carbon's compound. So what part is important? The carbon which contain hydroxyl group has to be attached during the ester. As for example, once again I am taking ethanoic acid. When react with again, we have to take out hydrogen from carboxylic acid and hydroxyl group from alcohol with the elimination of water in the presence of conc H2SO4. And which part of carbon has to be attached with this carbon, because this carbon eliminates the hydroxyl group. So we have to write first the part of carboxylic acid. This is CH3 COO, and which part has to be attached here? This part, because it eliminates its hydroxyl group. So remember it, okay? So CH2 and then CH3, and this is an ester and its name is, since after double O it has two carbon, so it is ethyl, and before double O there are also two carbon, so its name is ethyl ethanoate, and this is how we can form ester. This esterification is used to test the alcohol as well as carboxylic acid. I think by these reactions you can understand properly the process esterification. Clear? Now I am going to explain you the reverse process of esterification, and that one is hydrolysis of ester. Hydrolysis of ester is the reverse process of esterification, and it is also used during the formation of soap, which is known as saponification. So, hydrolysis of ester. As for example, any type of ester is given. For example, let us suppose this is an ester. In the presence of water, it dissociates into its parental carboxylic acid and parental alcohol. So this type of questions may be asked in the examination. One ester is given and you have to identify that which one is its parental carboxylic acid and parental alcohol. What to do? It is very simple, very easy. First of all, break given compound from here. The first part is RCOO. You have to add H with this, RCOOH, plus from rest of the part, or in rest of the part, you have to add here HO, and this is parental carboxylic acid, and this is parental alcohol. It means this ester consists of this carboxylic acid and this alcohol. So we can take any one example. As for example, CH3, COO, CH3. What is its name? Guess, right? Methyl. First of all, we have to write the name of this one, and here is 2 carbon, so it is ethanoate. Hydrolysis. What is the meaning of hydrolysis? Hydro, it means in the presence of water. Lysis, it means to break. Some compounds break inside the water. So in the presence of water, it hydrolyzes. What we have to do? We have to break this compound. After COO, you break it and write here CH3 COO. This is one part and another part is CH3. So add H in this part and OH in another part. So the parental carboxylic acid of methyl ethanoate is ethanoic acid and its parental alcohol is methanol. The second example I am taking to explain that in which carbon or to which carbon hydroxyl group should be added. It is very important. CH3 COO CH2 CH3. This is ethyl. Ethyl is for this part and ethanoate. It is for this part. So in the presence of water it hydrolyzes. Once again I am repeating the process. After double O, make a line in your rough page and you have to write it first. CH3 COO plus. You have to write this one. CH2 CH3. It is very easy to add the hydrogen because after double O you have to add hydrogen. So you added hydrogen here. This is the parental carboxylic acid and the name of it is ethanoic acid. But where we have to add the hydroxyl group? So remember it, learn it and concentrate here. At this carbon, we have to add hydroxyl group. Don't add hydroxyl group at this side, add hydroxyl group at this side. Always and always. Otherwise, you will do mistake. Okay? So the name of its parental alcohol is ethanol. And these are all about hydrolysis of ester. So, in this video, I have completed esterification and hydrolysis of ester. In next video, I will explain about taste of saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon.